If Razer Cortex won't launch, here are 5 quick fixes you can try now. If you see an error when launching, note the message and proceed with the steps. Step 1. Run Razer Cortex as administrator. Step 2. Update your GPU and Windows drivers to ensure compatibility. Use your GPU manufacturer's updater or Windows Update and restart when finished. Step 3. Reinstall Razer Cortex from the official site if problems persist. Step 4. Temporarily disable conflicting software like overlays and antivirus. Step 5. Clear Razer Cortex cache and temporary files. Delete the cache folder. Then restart your PC before relaunching Cortex. If issues continue, try running Cortex in compatibility mode and ensure Windows is fully updated. Recap: run as administrator, update drivers, reinstall Cortex, disable conflicting apps, clear cache. Links to downloads and support are in the caption. Try these steps and relaunch Cortex now.